Hey guys, so today's video is obviously going to be a little different. I'm actually in my car, don't worry, I'm parked. About to go into the Paves salon to meet with Destiny because we need to give this damaged hair some care. I've tried a bunch of home things and a number of them have worked, but I feel like I just really need something a little stronger, maybe even a haircut to fix this damaged hair. So I'm going to go ahead and go in, talk with Destiny, see what she says, but yeah. And I'm gonna take you guys along. So then also when you guys go to the hair salon, you know what to ask for. So let's go, whoa, get this damaged hair fixed. All right guys, here's who's gonna save my damaged hair. What are we gonna do to this? How are we gonna fix this?
Okay, it's just a little dry, not crazy damage, but the first thing is you'll need a little haircut. Give it some love.
Bye-bye.
And a really good moisturizing keratin protein like deep conditioning treatment. I think that's the best. And your at-home care is super important as well. You should be doing like masks every week and coming to get trims every 8 weeks.
You guys, I haven't been since, what was it, May 25th?
May 25th, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna,
5 months or so.
You know, just 5 months of just grow out and damage. Look at this, it's so dry. But this girl's gonna save me.
We'll give her hair some love today.
We're gonna do a little love. We're also might do a toner.
Yeah.
We might make it like a little cooler, maybe darker. We don't know. It's gonna be a surprise. You're gonna have to watch all the way till the end to see the transformation. Okay, so we're thinking, what is that? Is that 2 inches or what is
2-3 inches?
Okay.
A fun, healthy cut.
And we can do
Kind
this.
of like to where your layer is right there. Like your,
This one?
yeah, like I'd say around there.
Okay.
I think that'd be pretty.
And then if I feel ballsy, we can always go more, but we can't go less. So yeah, we'll start here.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. All right, let's do this. So right now we're gonna do what treatment?
We're gonna do R+Co's new Atlantis deep moisturizing and conditioning treatment.
Ooh.
Just really get her, give you some love in your hair.
Okay.
Pre-shampoo mineral remover. So it just takes any like chlorine, hard water, chemicals, any product buildup.
What brand is that?
Color Wow.
Color Wow.
Yeah.
That's like good to have too, just like after the pool and stuff.
Seriously.
So we're letting this sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm one of those that has a weak neck. So
Oh no.
neck up. Oh no. But my hair is still in the bowl, so I'm good to go. I'm back at the chair. We're actually gonna do my tone at the chair. She says I have a lot of hair, so it'll be easier. Also, it'll be easier on my neck, so I'm totally here for this. So she's gonna mix the toner mixture or get it ready, and then we're gonna tone my hair. Okay. Ooh, we got a little like neck pillow under here. Oh my gosh, this feels great. So back to the bowl. We just did the
Root toner,
toner, and now we're going
root
in
smudge.
with the like actual toner.
They're both toners. I just wanted to blur where your natural hair was, where your highlights started, just so it's a more seamless blend.
You hear that, guys? That's what you need. That's when you know you have like a legit hairstylist. She's not half-assing anything here. So when you come to Destiny to get your hair done, she'll already know what to do. But yeah, toning up the hair.
Shampoo and then do the treatment.
All right, light shampoo. It looks like a purple
A
shampoo.
little purpley.
And then the treatments. That'll hopefully save me. All right, so apparently we're using R+Co.
R+Co's Atlantis moisturizing treatment.
Ooh, okay. And they do have other treatments depending on what you guys want, but I need moisture.
Thickening, moisture, and color locking.
Okay. Thickening, moisture, and color locking, but I need moisture because, yeah, my hair is way too dry.
So we towel dried really well, and then now I'm just gonna soak your hair up.
Get all that. Ooh, yeah. All right, hair. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh.
That's always a good
I can't even describe it. What does it smell like? What is
kind of
that?
like beachy.
Like,
you know?
I don't know. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay. I'm here for it already for the scent. Hopefully it does the rest of its job and fix my hair. All right, guys, we're doing a double treatment.
PHYTO has like a super intense, very thick hydration oil, so I think I'm just gonna double it up and layer it on top.
Sounds good to me. Put it all in here. And I got my pillow back, which is awesome. If your salon has the pillow like in between doing stuff that you could like put your neck on, ask for it. Actually, just come here. It has everything. Destiny's the best.
Ooh, okay, so I'm probably just gonna dry a little front piece. See if you like the tone, and then we'll go from there. But I'll cut you while your hair is dry, just so I can like really see all that goods.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so we cut off a couple inches already, and oh my god, you guys, it is feeling and looking so good. I almost fell over the chair. Wow, it looks so good. Let me flip it and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my gosh, feels amazing, looks amazing. We still need to do the front, so that's not done yet. All she literally did was just like cut off, but looks so good. I'm obsessed. All right, and there we have it. We did what?
I only cut off like a little more than she wanted, but it's very healthy.
Yeah.
It's very clean, it's very moisturized.
Oh, it looks so good.
See her in 2 months, right? Not 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and get a haircut and not wait forever.
Pretty.
But yeah, the cut definitely helps obviously get all the dead ends off. You also did this like kind of cutting thing in the back where...
Oh yeah, so I just kind of like slid cut right here to get all the little
dead ends
that are kind of in your mid shaft without like cutting her hair that short.
Which I think helped a lot because I had some really dead pieces back here that were like too high to like, obviously you can't just cut
like
my
a
hair
hair
off.
pixie.
Yeah, so she did that, which, what is it, if someone's asking for it, what should they say?
God, I guess there is probably a name for it.
Okay, I'll look up the
But
name.
I just like, you know, they kind of take the shears and cut off the dead ends in the middle. I don't know, it's like a slide cutting. I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know.
Well, I'll put it here.
We'll put it in the comments.
Yeah, we'll put it here what it is, but it looks so much better. It's so healthy. I'm obsessed. Thank you. Okay, so I'm done back in my car, and my hair feels and looks amazing. Destiny did such a great job. She knew exactly what to do with all my damaged hair. We originally were going to cut off like 2 to 3 inches, but we actually decided to do about 4 inches. I just think it makes it look a little bit healthier than if we only cut off the 2. Also, I really like the length. I think it looks really good. But yeah, so we cut 4 inches. We did 2 different treatments, and we also toned my hair, so the color does look a little different. Before it was looking like a little brassy, so I think it looks just a lot better now. But I'm really happy with how it looks. I'm obsessed. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.